Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. I wish you all a very happy, healthy and peaceful New Year 2022. Let us start the new year with a positive note and we pray we will come out of this turmoil we are facing in a good note. I started this journey almost 2 years, 1.5 years back, and published for around 80 plus videos and 10 series with all your support, comments, and inputs. And now we come to the stage. I'm looking at how the marketing is going forward, because we have talked about different aspects of marketing in our previous series, like marketing strategy, then cleared or explained. Then we talk about sustainable marketing, technology in marketing. Then we talked about the marketing today, troubled times, and doing business right way. Sustainable marketing series we did, and marketing innovation series. And very recently, I did a series on marketing through pandemic. So now this, as you all know, because I'm into this research for many years, published many papers in leading journals. So the thought come to me like, how do we see marketing, research in marketing? Whether the research can be really applied in marketing, or we primarily go for the action research or academic research. Whether academic research can really be used in the business, the marketing. So will it be really a successful one, reality, or a myth? Because we have so many journals, leading journals that publishing papers, and the research gives a lot of insights to academicians, and that insights lead to consulting and training to the organizations. So how we can synergize the accent research which is conducted by the industry, the corporates, and how the academic research will add value to that. So that is what we'll be looking at in this series called Marketing by Research. So the new series which I'm intending to start, where I'll be sharing all my papers I published all these years. And I also intend to explain how this paper will help the practicing managers and the different stakeholders. It's very important. So if you look at the research, I normally gauge the good research is something, the outcomes will definitely help the practicing managers, apart from academicians for doing further research. But the very important thing is the research should help the practicing managers and it should help the society to get the betterment. So that is what I normally gauge a good research or impactful research when it has some impact over the society. So I remember my PhD days in the 2000s, early 2000s. I started my PhD in cyber marketing, internet marketing, and I looked at the things which happened in those days, which was in very the nascent or very primitive in terms of internet, and whatever I seen and I perceived and I foreseen, things are happening now. So that way, like my research, which is primarily my PhD research, is about how the internet will influence consumer to buy product and services online. If they do it, what type of product and services they will buy online, and what stages actually they will go through by the consumer behavior stage. So because normally consumer goes through a different stage of when we buy a product, like collecting information, analyzing the information, and finally we go for purchase. And I wanted to study how in those days the internet played a role, whether internet played a role of only providing information or helping the consumers to analyze the information online, and go for offline purchase, or even they go for buying products online. If they want to buy product and services online by using all this process over internet, the available information and analysis, and what type of product and services they wanted to buy online. So what type of products and services they go for online, but still they got the information and analysis from the internet. So that is what actually the research was all about. It's almost now 15, 16 years back. So I'm talking about 2003, 2004. I submitted my PhD. So very long back. And whatever I predicted and perceived, and it's now almost everything is available online, and consumers are buying it. So that is what I see, that sometimes the research, whatever we do the research will definitely help, and it has still it's valid. To these days is almost 15, 16 years before I did the work, but still the work which is valid. And another thing which I developed a model of the piece of cyber marketing, so where I included the payment procedures, which is very important for consumer to buy, because people used to buy in those days products online, services by booking tickets by using credit cards. But many people they might not have access to these credit cards, so they were excluded from this online purchase. So I was working on to develop a model we call interbanking connectivity (ICBN) network, IBC, an interbanking connectivity network, while all the banks are connected, and people those who have even the SB account or a debit card, so they can make online purchase. And even we perceived actually in those days, learned from the ideas from Rakuten, the earliest online companies from Japan, where they help people to buy online and go to post office and collect the products which come to the post office and pay money to the post office. So I use the same thing, and I was expecting a kind of a cash on delivery. So when you just move from credit card to debit card, it's become more inclusive. So the particular new model, the internet, buying over internet, it's like a new technology. When you look at the technology adoption model, it's a ease of use or usefulness. So it's become more inclusive. So when the company they started enhancing the payment procedures uh, from credit card to debit card, or paying through your net banking, and when it comes to cash on delivery, so you are even connecting the last minute standing. So now it's become reality. What you see today, actually, especially in Asian countries, people buy online and pay through cash or a card on purchase. So the delivery person will bring your swiping machine, so you can even swipe it. So instead of going for a cash, they go for a card on delivery. It's like almost a physical purchase. So that is what I just like seen and developed model. It's almost 15, 16 years back, and now it's a reality. It's working well, and that is what really enhancing the online presence. The companies like Amazon, so they are making billions, and if you see the last year, the sales jumped almost $100 billion. Now people have gone online almost for everything. So these are all the things which made me to start a new series on marketing by research initiative. In this, I'll be discussing my papers, actually what I published, and the methodology I used, and what the variables I used, and how the outcomes of the research will be useful for the practicing managers and other academicians. So this is where I see whenever any research will be used by practicing managers, it will be used for helping the consumers or helping the betterment of the society. So what I seen in my PhD research, like where I wanted to have these inclusive payment procedures, a payment method where a company even go for a cash on delivery method, so which is totally changing the way it is. Like now, the consumers are access to the best products available, and you don't have to depend on the product which is available in your city or stores, even it is inferior products. Because of this, the inclusive payment procedures, a consumer can get the best product available at the best price, and they get the benefit out of it. So So this is where sometimes research will also help change the society and develop the lives of people, the consumers, the focus. So please actually give your valuable comments of how you want me to take the serious. So I want to discuss all my papers which I published all these years under this series. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support and subscribing to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.4 and sharing with your network. And once again, very happy, healthy, and peaceful journey you are